Hey, welcome to PoGoskill channel. In Pokemon, everything needs to be controlled based on location. Even hatching eggs and participating in activities must go out. Of course, you can figure out how to play Pokemon Go without moving. PoGoskill is an ideal tool. It helps you change the GPS location for Pokemon Go on Android and iOS without jailbreak or rooting the device. The benefit is that you can also have access to a joystick system that helps simulate the GPS movement without an issue. Download and then install PoGoskill on your computer. Then start PoGoskill. The second step is to connect your computer and your Android phone via USB by following the on-screen guidelines and information. After enter this tool, you can select the function you want in the upper right corner. The first function can change the location instantly. Just enter the place you want to go in the input box, or click on any place on the map. After confirmation, your location will be changed. Try it a few more times and you may want to use the features that satisfy or simulated walking. In the fourth function, you can adjust the speed and direction at will. And you can walk as you like. Everything becomes whatever you want. Go and try it. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.